Hello students, welcome to my online teaching class. I am MC Sahitya, Assistant Professor of Political Science, Government College for Men, Kurnool. In the today's session, we are going to discuss about the second topic in the evolution of party system in India. In today's class, we are discussing about Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP. Bharatiya Janata Party is one of the national party evolved itself as one of the largest party in terms of representation in 2019 elections in the national parliament and state assembly, and also largest party in terms of primary membership in the world. The Bharatiya Janata Party is a right-wing party. Its policies has Hindu nationalistic positions with close ideologies linked to Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, that is RSS. The election symbol of BJP is saffron background with lotus flower. The saffron stands for Hindutva ideology. The BJP is formed from Bharatiya Janasangh in 1951 by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. In this slide, you can see the image of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. After emergency in 1977, the Janasangh merged itself with Janata Party. In 1984 elections, it secured just 2 seats. Later, on the issue of Rama Janmabhoomi, Babri Masjid issue, it gained its momentum. Later, in 1996, in 1998, in 2014, and in 2019 general elections, it has evolved itself as biggest party, and the present government is led by Sri Narendra Modi Garu with a thumping majority. BJP secured 303 seats by itself. In this slide, you can see the image of Sri Narendra Modi Garu. Now, let us discuss about the ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP stands for Integral Humanism, formulated by Deenadayal Upadhyaya in 1965, who is the founder of Bharata Dharma Mandal. Second point, it expresses commitment to Hindutva and it advocates social conservatism in foreign policy on nationalistic principles, made in India concept, and the concepts like Swarajya, Ramarajya, etc. are the basic ideologies of Bharatiya Janata Party. Now coming to the key issues of Bharatiya Janata Party. The party stands for abrogation of Article 370, which states that the special status to Jammu and Kashmir should be done away with. Building of Rama temple in Ayodhya and implementation of Article 44, which stands for Uniform Civil Code to all the religions in India.